Forget those productivity hacks that leave you feeling like a hamster on a wheel. They won't write your emails or tame your overflowing to-do list. Enter Alice, your AI assistant with sass and superpowers. She's like your own personal mini-meets Iron Man, minus the metal suit, yet. Here's why Alice will become your best work bestie. She's a brainiac. Powered by cutting-edge AI models, Alice tackles your tasks like a champ. Drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, boom, done. Supercharge your workflow, tired of repetitive tasks? Alice has a library of prompts to automate that junk. Need a grammar check or a fresh idea? She's got your back and your creativity. Clone yourself AI style, create a whole team of AI assistants, train them for specific projects and watch your to-do list tremble in fear. App Whisperer. Alice integrates with your favorite apps like Make Zapier and your own personal API. Monitor sales, track tasks, and rule your tech world. Privacy focused. Unlike some creepy AI out there, Alice keeps your conversations local. No funny business here. Basically, Alice is your key to unlocking 10 times productivity. Stop struggling and start conquering with your hilarious new AI sidekick. P.S. She can't make coffee yet, but we're working on it.